Hello guys, welcome to 6th chapter. We have completed basic and intermediate part. Chapter 6 is bit advanced. Chapter 6 consists of analyzing annual report, balance sheet, profit and loss statement and cash flow statement. Now these statements and annual report are reflection of the firm. They tells you how much debt the firm has taken or about quality of the management. There are various terms like assets, liabilities, profit, revenue, EBITDA, cash flow in, cash flow out that we are going to study. I have taken limited portion showing you guys how to analyze. When you will be analyzing these statements and annual report by yourself, you will be able to connect the dots. Chapter 6 Fundamental Analysis 2 Video 1 Company's Annual Report and Presentation Analysis. Annual Report. Annual report is a comprehensive report on company's activity throughout the preceding year. Annual reports are intended to give investor information about the company's activities and financial performance. Following are few important parts of annual report. First is promoters and senior management, directors report, management discussion and analysis, details of person in charge of running the company, report on corporate governance, independent auditors report, balance sheet, profit and loss statement, cash flow statement, and their notes for the details. There are various sources from where you can download the annual report. NSE, BSE, Money Control, ticker Phenology. What I generally and personally recommend is downloading annual report through the website of the firm. Okay. So we are going to go through annual report of Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail, that is ABFR. Going under investor overview, then for investors, scrolling down, here are the details for investors. We'll be going under annual reports. Okay, you need to download this version, that is 2019-20 PDF version. You just need to click and then you can download it from here. So guys, here is the annual report of Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail for the year 2019 and 20. So we will only be going through few pages and I will be mentioning the page number here. Those are some important stuff you need to go through under an annual report. Third page number, yeah, that is letter to shareholders. At first they have mentioned the COVID-19 situation here, talking about global economy and other details. On 8th page number, they have mentioned their donations to PM Care Funds, then for triple layer surgical mask, then cover all garments and beds for COVID patients and all the other details. So what they have donated, I'm talking about Aditya Birla Group here, not Aditya Birla Fashion Retail as an individual. These are few details and highlights of profit, revenue, then EBITDA growth compared to the past year. So on 12th page, they have mentioned the revenue, EBITDA, employees, cities, stores, and retail space. So from page number 13, they have mentioned their brands and stores. LP having 457 stores. Similarly, for Van Heusen, that is 410 stores. Alan Solly, that is 345 stores. And Peter England, around 1023 stores. Scrolling down, they also mentioned other brands, that is Pantaloons, having 342 stores and few more brands. So you can check all this detail here. Going to next part, on page 36 is board of directors and key executives. So these are director, managing director, independent director, and scrolling down shows key executives. You can track them. You can know what is the income of these executives and directors. Financial highlights from FY16 till FY20, and here is the graph. In graph they have mentioned the revenue, EBITDA, profit after tax, that is PAT, and EBIT. Here is the index or content of annual report, how the flow has been through their annual report, comes starting with report of the board of director, including management decision and analysis. Here is report of board of director. One of the important part, you guys need to go through it. It mentions all the details and all the atmosphere or surrounding activities, how they have affected the business and all other details. Here is the small table for lifestyle brands, that is LP, Van Heusen, Alan Solly, Peter England. How much people have walked in there in crores, then growth, conversion, and other details. Similarly for Pantaloons, on 50th page is their business strategy, one of the important part of annual report. How what are their steps for strengthening their portfolios, building strong brands, about supply chain, reaching customer base, then their digital transformations. On page 56 is revenue and earning before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization, that is EBITDA, their financial cost and other things. Here is standalone key financial ratios, that is debtors turnover ratio, inventory turnover ratio. We all are going to study these ratios in our upcoming video, but under annual report you can also find these ratio. You need to check the data from right hand side to left hand side. Right hand side, that is 2019 March 31st, and left hand side is as at 31st March 2020. At the bottom of 56th page is given SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. We have already seen. Go through this very carefully. Try to match this SWOT analysis with government decisions, rules and regulation policies, and economy of the nation. Now, one of the important part is shareholding pattern. You will be able to check here individual, central government. These are the promoters, okay, Indian promoters. Then foreign, NRIs and other. How much share do they hold? Then comes institutions, mutual fund, bank, central government, state government, non-institutions, scrolling down others, NRI and others. Shareholding pattern of promoter and promoter group, Birla Group holding. Shareholding pattern of top 10 shareholders. So first is Reliance Mutual Fund and its affiliates. So at the beginning of the year, they were having this much share. This is composition of board, how much non-executive independent directors, non-executive directors, executive directors, independent women directors have acquired out of total, and their skills. So talking about executive directors, designation, that is managing director, Mr. Ashish Dikshit, okay, having skills and expertise in industrial knowledge, then marketing, innovation, technology and digitization, then sustainability, human resource development, and few more. Getting on 151 page, NSE Nifty versus ABFRL share price, BSE Sensex versus ABFRL share price. So here you can easily track that near July, August 2019, the share price of Aditya Birla Fashion Retail was lower than the market. And by February, their share price was far higher than the market. Same for Aditya Birla Fashion Retail versus BSE Sensex. Scrolling down. Here are category-wise shareholding pattern of the company. So promoter and promoter group are having around 59.07%. There are 16. Then to the public, how much do they hold? Okay, these are the number of shares. Mutual funds, foreign institutional investors. So you can check this detail. You can compare with the previous data. What has been promoter and promoters group shareholding pattern. Getting on page 192, Aditya Birla Fashion Retail Limited as an single entity and different entity from its subsidiaries and parent company. So Aditya's standalone balance sheet is here. We are going to analyze balance sheet, profit and loss statement and cash flow statement in our next video. But also from here, you can know the balance sheet data of past year and this year, that is March 31st. Notes are mentioned here that shows the complete details, if there is increase or decrease, exactly what. So talking about property, plant and equipment, how much furniture they have increased, how much vehicles cost they have increased, and all other details will be mentioned under note 3. So notes you can find after standalone balance sheet. There will be a standalone profit and loss statement, and then there will be standalone cash flow statement, and after that notes are mentioned here. Let's check the detail for this note number 3 about property, plant and equipment. So here is note 3, property, plant and equipment. They are basically it is divided into cost and depreciation. Okay. And as of April 2018, March 2019 and March 2020, office equipment, vehicles, furniture and fixtures, computers, plant and equipment, freehold buildings, freehold land, all these costs are mentioned here. The depreciation is also mentioned here. Concluding these all details, here is mentioned that how much property, plant and equipment they have in crores. Okay, from March 31st 2019 to March 31st 2020, here it is shown that data has increased. Here is consolidated balance sheet under annual report, and similarly like standalone consolidated balance sheet also have notes. Okay, so from right hand side to left hand side, you can check how much decrease or increase has been compared to year 2019. Okay, March 31st as at March 31st 2019 to as at March 31st 2020. Consolidated statement of profit and loss. So here is consolidated statement of cash flow for the year ended March 31st 2020. Similarly, notes are mentioned starting from note 1, note 2. The last part is last second page of the annual report. Their stores and their presence among the cities, that is they are having presence more than 750 cities, and talking about store, they have 3031 stores. Here is also mentioned state wise. So in Gujarat they are having 117 stores, in Rajasthan 121, Maharashtra 408. You can also check these details state wise. Investor presentation. It is 10 to 25 slide presentation that tells the story of company simple and compile into potential investors. So let's download the investor presentation from the site of Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail. Going under investor, overview, for investors, financial and other reports, scrolling down, investor presentation for year 2020-21 quarter 2, and you just need to click here and download it from here. So guys, here is the investor presentation of quarter 2 2020 performance highlights. Okay, this is the sequence of their investor presentation, starting with distribution network, or talking about their stores and other details, their market update, quarter 2 highlights, performance of key portfolio, that is lifestyle brand and Pantaloons and other. Way forward, their kind of vision in near future, and financials. Financial, that is income statement and other details. So yeah, first is about stores, their Pantaloon and their brand stores all over India. Then comes market update regarding their recovery underway, then technology accelerators and other details. Quarter 2 highlight. So they have mentioned high degree of safety at their stores, then significant progress on digital transformation roadmap. Talking about cost reduction, they have achieved cost savings of 455 crore in quarter 1 and 417 crore in quarter 2. Then strengthening balance sheet, strategic fundraise of 1500 crore from Flipkart, completion of right issue of 1000 crore. There are few highlights for quarter 2. These are the highlights for quarter 2 compared to the previous data, that is year on year and quarter on quarter, that is QOQ and YOY. Continued focus on cost reduction. So how they have reduced the cost. Their key segment highlight, that is lifestyle brand. We will see that which are the brands under lifestyle. Then other businesses, Madura segment, Pantaloons. Here is performance of their key portfolios, lifestyle brand, Pantaloon, other businesses. So here are the details of lifestyle brand, that is LP, Peter England, Van Heusen and Alan Solly. So lifestyle retail channel achieved 60% of last year's sale. Okay, though COVID affected, but they have already achieved 60% of the last year. Around 10 million masks sold. Their retail network area and stores. Few detail. This is important. That is loyalty based customers in lakhs, and 55% of revenue comes from loyal customers. Now this is the important data. You can check with past quarters investor presentation. Same for Pantaloon and other segments. Then comes way forward. You can see here for lifestyle brand, continue network expansion, accelerated e-commerce play across platform, expansion drive to continue. So they are handling these brands differently. Okay, they are not having the same vision for all. Talking about Pantaloon, strengthening digital play. Then other businesses about innerwear, global brands focus on profitability. Last is financial, that is their income statement. So revenue from operation for quarter 2 20 and quarter 2 FY21. You can see here that their revenue has decreased, talking about FY20 and 21, because of COVID, and definitely their total income has also decreased. On the other hand, their material consume and all the other details are decreased. So this is income statement. Income statement is for quarterly results, while profit and loss statement comes under annual report, that is once in a year. Scrolling down is disclaimer and this last slide. So what I personally feel is investor presentation gives you a quick go through what has happened in past 3 months, all the details.
So guys, if you find this video informative, please do like, comment, share and follow Intellect Panthomath on Instagram and YouTube. Stay tuned for latest updates and more videos. Thank you.